Hello everyone, welcome back to the Money Eyes channel. We are in the first week of March and I am just setting up my fitness scheduling. This is how I schedule out my workouts during the weeks so that I at least have a guideline to what exactly I'm going to be doing. This week I am using Grow with Joe workout videos on YouTube. I've been using her for a while and I saw results a few years ago when I was watching her, so I decided to incorporate her into my new bedroom. So all I did was take screenshots of the thumbnails on YouTube and I cropped them out and I put them on each week, and then I hyperlinked each of the thumbnails to the actual video so that when I go in to check my routine that I picked for the day, I could just hold down and open up that link and open YouTube right up and then just get started, so that I don't have to go and scroll on YouTube and find the playlist that I saved it in, because I have a lot of videos saved on YouTube from things that I like to go back and reference. So but I was using the default weekly spread inside of my planner, but then I was bored one day, so I just started making a different spread to just move everything over onto where it only holds my fitness. So and I hyperlinked that to the new spread inside of the section of my planner that's for fitness. And that's exactly why I like digital planning, because you can have everything that you want right inside the same space, and you can set up hyperlinks to link you to certain areas for certain weeks so that you can just have a quick reference to everything that you have planned, and you don't have to go to different planners or anything like that if you choose not to. So I'm just figuring out how I want everything to be laid out right now, and I'm going to let you guys watch that for a second and I will be back. So like here, I finally figured out that I had to move them to make them bigger so that they stayed on screen so that I could spread them out and put them where I wanted to. And when I plan, I just kind of go off of feeling. I start putting things on the page and I see how they make me feel. And then if I get a different feeling or vibe, I just go with it. So my screenshot at the end might look different from what you might see me put together on the screen, because even after I'm creating something, each time I go back into the spread to check something or put something down, like any type of information for my fitness or anything, I will go in and I will just change it and then I'll use that. And by the time I put the video up, the screenshot might look different. So, but here I decided to move the video hyperlinks over into the middle column, because I decided while I was doing this that I was going to, on the bigger side, the bigger section on the left, I'm going to use that to track my meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks or anything like that. Not going to break everything down into like macros or anything, but just to give myself a general idea of what I ate for each day. And then any type of notes for the workout will be in that column that I have all of the hyperlinked videos or any stickers, because I might not use a video on a day when I'm working out. So I'll have something else there to indicate what type of workout I'll be doing, and any type of notes or images or anything right there. And then the far right column, that last column, I'm probably going to use that to do any type of journaling about how my workout fitness went, or maybe my water intake or snacks or any, like, okay, maybe I probably should have only used one piece of bread, or, you know, something like that, just to reflect on the day. So it's going to be meals all the way in to the left in the bigger sections. And then the middle, I'm going to use that for tracking any calories, the total calories consumed, my macro breakdowns, steps, calories burned, because I do have an Apple Watch that I count my steps on, and anything to that nature in the middle, or like anything like that. And then on the side, I'm going to just do a little journal entry to reflect on how the day went. Like I said, I just kind of go by ear when I'm doing this. I just let my creativity take me wherever it decides, and it seems to be working for me. So let me know in the comments, like, do you guys already like map out how you want everything, or do you kind of go with the flow to like change things, or do you, because I've heard people say that they actually pen and paper their layouts first and then they go in and do the digital. I'm more of a vibe type of person, so I kind of have to start working with it and moving things around before I lock into what it actually turns out to be. And each week by week, it might be different. Like, I have different templates that I have in the planner that I created, and I'm just gonna whichever template grabs my attention, I'm going to use it. I'm going to try and make it fit into whatever I'm doing, whether it be my fitness, whether it be my meals or recipes or anything like that. Like, so that's kind of like how I plan. I plan off of my vibe. I have the basics of my task list and things like that, but then sometimes I'll have a little extra time and I'll just go crazy and I'll go and create new stickers or anything like that. So I just wanted to say that, and I will be back with you guys in a second. As always, thank you guys for coming back and checking out my videos. I hope that you really enjoyed me putting this spread together, watching me put this spread together. In the comments, leave any suggestions or anything, any questions you may have. I answer all of my comments. And don't forget to like and share this video. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I will be coming with more content. And until next time, I will see you guys later.